Back again with another dose, guys. Breaking news: Russian fighter jet forces U.S. drone to land in the Black Sea. In a startling turn of events, a Russian fighter jet has forced a U.S. Air Force drone to land in the Black Sea after damaging its propeller. The MQ-9 Reaper drone was being operated over international waters when two Russian Su-27 flanker jets flew in front of the unmanned aircraft and dumped fuel in front of it. One of the jets then damaged the drone's propeller, forcing the U.S. to bring it down. This marks the first direct contact between Russian and U.S. military aircraft since Russia's invasion of Ukraine in 2022. Looks like the Russian pilots didn't get the memo about social distancing. I guess dumping fuel on the drone was Russia's way of saying, "Don't fly here." Did the Russian pilots mistake the drone for a piñata? The drone probably wishes it could have reaped some revenge of its own. But in all seriousness, this was an unsafe and unprofessional action by the Russian pilots. The U.S. Air Force has called it reckless and has condemned it in the strongest possible terms. We will continue this story as it develops. Stay tuned for updates.